A pleasant day to all of you, fellow STIers, STI faculty members, especially to our advisor, Mr. Francis Griffin. First of all, I want to ask all of you, what do you think is the most precious experience you faced in your growing up stage? Adulthood doesn't come up at age 18 or 21. Being grown up indicates that you've evolved into a new stage of your life, in which you take your career, relationships, and future more seriously. Growing up is never easy. You hold on to things that where you wonder what to come. We knew it was time to let go of what had been and look ahead to what would be. What I've learned as a grown-up individual is becoming more responsible in everything I'm doing, because it can reflect my decisions for myself and others too. When I was a little child, I used to ask my mom, what is the purpose of being a grown-up person? My mom says, being a grown-up person is not only for a purpose, but to create and learn some experience you don't have. I can say that I've grown as an individual because I can now accept the changes and challenges in my growing up stage. I've learned to be more conservative in the way of using my language, even if I'm used to it, because it can reflect the way I talk to them. The more mature you become, the more you realize how your decision can impact your personality. When you're a kid, your mindset is in the here and now. Maybe you think about what's going on to happen tomorrow or this summer. You know you've grown up when you think seriously about your life. Many years down the line, you might want to take action to influence your future life. Again, fellow STIers, STI faculty members, and Mr. Griffin, I hope this speech can be inspiration to become a better grown-up individual. Thank you and God bless.